action filters for the this authorize and little example of that. Close all tabs. Close solution. We will create another project. Next, in this project is going to be MVC authorize filter. Then create. Here, instead of having no authentication, I will add authentication, which is individual user accounts. And then create. Okay. In this project, in this template, is using ASP.NET Identity, which is implementation to secure your application. Let's say you have here already models to help you manage user and roles. We're going to cover more in detail in other sessions. The only thing that I wanted to point out was that, as you can see, when we have this manage controller, let's say, you see that there is the authorization filter, the authorize filter here, that nobody can get access to this controller if it's not authenticated. So if I run this application, so this application allows me to log in. Okay, if I have a user, actually I don't have any user. I will create a new one. I will register. I will generate a strong password and register. So I'm registered. So if I am registered, okay, I can get access to many. Here I have nothing in this application, so I will adjust just some actions. Let's say that the contact, only we can get access to the contact if we are authenticated. Let's say that I'm going to log off first. And let's say if I put contact with the filter authorize, and then rerun the application, what will happen?
Sorry, what did you choose to get those models, authorized models, when you created the project?
Yes,
Did you choose something? Yeah.
yes, when I create the project, in order to get those models and everything, I chose the authentication individual user accounts. In the top of when you create a new project, in the top of your screen, there is um, a part that says authentication, and then
Authentication. Okay.
yes. So if I go back, let's say just to show you exactly what it is.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
No, this is okay. I can show you what it is. I need to just open a new project.
Yeah. So you select the ASP.NET application.
Yes,
Okay.
I create the a new project. We already chosen the ASP.NET Web application,
Yeah.
and then you click on the create. I think is the name.
Yeah.
It's taking this, and in the top of the screen there is an option, and you use the individual user accounts. Individual user accounts is
Okay.
the implementation of ASP.NET Identity. That is a way to manage user and roles in ASP.NET. It's an easy way. Um, Next, I got create
Yeah.
authentication, just
Okay.
change
Okay.
and then
Sorry, I missed
individual
that.
user.
Sorry about that. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So I will go back and close this. So when I create this, yes, the thing that I did right now is try to secure one part of the application. Let's say that only registered users are able to get access to the contact
Okay. Got it.
information. If I click on contact, because I changed the code to authorize, here I'm not authenticated. So if I click on this, it will redirect to the login. Because I'm not authorized to get access to this part of the application. I just secure that part of the application by putting authorize as an uh, filter attribute in here. So if I authenticate, let's say login, it's taking time, but it will go back to the original URL because it specifies what is the return URL. Okay, contact is the return URL. So I will be able to see the information, the contact information, because I'm logged into the application. If I go back here, application name, and go back to contact, I will be able normally to see that information because I'm authorized to get access to that.
And how can we change the layout to not to show the navigation if the user not authorized?
Uh, uh, could you repeat? Okay, change to just mention that, okay, you are
Not to
not
show
authorized.
contact menu in navigation bar if the user not authorized.
Okay, okay, okay. Here, if I go here, okay, I will close this first and then go back to the views, share, and then there is the layout. In here, if I got the contact, if user dot identity dot is authenticated. If it is authenticated, show the link. So if I run this again, only if I am authenticated, I will be able to show this link.
Okay, we can use it anywhere. This pattern.
Yes, because in this case, we are using ASP.NET Identity. So our identity has the user available for us to know if it is authenticated or not. So always is going to be a user. If I'm not authenticated, it's going to be the anonymous user, and the anonymous user is not authenticated. But if I am authenticated, it's going to be actually the current user, so it's going to be authenticated. So in here, I am authenticated, so it shows the contact link. If I go log off, it will disappear. But somebody that is a smart, oh, okay, but I have the link. It's going to redirect.
Yeah.
Yes, and if I try to log in again, it's going to appear the contact link because I am authenticated. So everything is fine. Is there is any other question about this? It's pretty much clear. I think so. Nobody says nothing. So I will upload
So
this.
I have now a question because a lot of concept now
Yes,
it's thrown there. So shall we expect next class that there is let's
practice.
say practice things like including all these things one by one? Let's say clear example to introduce all these concepts
Yes,
there
yes, yes. I will.
and
I will prepare that.
yeah, to be explained step by step and how to use each one of this.
Yes, I'm going to create like a handout about it. So you're going to apply most of the contents that we have covered today. I
Yeah.
know that is pretty much a lot at the
No,
beginning.
sometimes it's easy to know like okay what we are doing, but at the end to put all this together, still we are struggling with the basic things.
Yes,
Adding this there also, like it will be like there is a lot of confusion. So
yes.
it's good to have like something uh, still simple, yeah,
Hmm.
but introduce all this concept there
Yes,
to grasp it, let's say, in a better way.
yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely. And I'm going to just let you as a practice, and then I'm going to solve step by, or maybe I will solve step by step, and I'm going to give you another like example or practice for you to do it all yourself, and then I'm going to explain again the practice that you did so far.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. So in here, I'm going to share this too. Okay, so I will just retrieve that. So in here, I will put settings. Change visibility. So until now, so far, so good with the course. I
Yes,
will
everything clear.
yes,
Right.
I would like your feedback. It's really appreciated. And yes, I will try to do some practice for the next sessions in order just to help you grasp the content, the concepts, and have more practice about the ASP.NET MVC. And after this first practice, we are going to cover access to the database. So we're going to cover that, and uh, and after that, we are going to just give you the assignment, the first assignment, which is I already mentioned the blog before in the previous session. So, and if you have some questions about that, I will help you uh, grasp the concepts and everything. So, not to worry about. And I will share some code too in order to make it easier for you to create that block. So, any questions?
And the assignment will be Friday or next Monday.
The assignment, I already put the dates. I mentioned that the assignment should be posted for the session number 6. Maybe at the beginning of the session number 6, I will put the assignment, because to have the assignment, maybe the next session, maybe tomorrow, I can already put the assignment, because to do the assignment, you need to know uh, HTML helpers, you need to know even data validation, working with data, and ASP.NET Identity to just complete the assignment entirely. So I will I will post it in the session number 6, and then I mentioned that in the session number 8 it should be due. Maybe I can just um, give some more time and just being due for Monday next week. So you will be able to finish on time on Monday, and I will try to post also the project before, in order to give you an idea, okay, how to do the project and everything. But mostly at the session number 5 or 6, we should be good to have almost all the concepts needed to develop both applications, to develop the assignment 1 and the project.
So we have the weekend to do assignment 1.
Yes. I
Great.
Yes, and I already mentioned about the evaluation. The assignment 1 is like 20% of the marks, and the exam is also 20%. But the one that weights more is the final project, which is 40%, and the final test is the same weight as the others, always 20%. So at the session 6, you already have pretty much everything to at least finish assignment 1 and to advance at least 60% of the final project with all those concepts. 60 or even 80% of the project, of the final project. So you might be able to just finish all that maybe for the next week. But yes, it's like that. So any other question?
No.
Sorry, can you just okay, no, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Yes, you mentioned about the course outline. Yes, it has been shared, the course outline.
No, that was the assignment. So
Okay.
it's okay, but
Okay.
I'll go through over it. It's no problem.
Yes, also the assignment, why I put it in that session, because if you don't have all the concepts needed to do the assignment, maybe just I leave the assignment there, but you won't be able to even start it. So is that the thing? Because in the assignment we are going to use a ASP.NET Identity. We're going to create like custom roles. We are going to have an administrator, and then we're going to just present information related to authenticated users and not authenticated users. So is for that reason that I just put it in that session, because you already have everything to make it work properly at that point. Okay, so I think it's good. If you don't have any other question, I see you tomorrow.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.
Okay, bye.